G'day guys, just a quick video today on one of the cheapest rechargeable mice available on eBay at the moment. There's no real name for it, it does just say, Bluetooth rechargeable 2.4 mouse, so they're the keywords you want to search for. It does in fact have Bluetooth and also the 2.4G dongle, just like normal wireless mice have. So it's pretty handy, it has both. It's obviously one or the other at one time, you can't do both. Going to Bluetooth mode, it does flash green when it's trying to pair. And 2.4 just your standard red. But they do both work. There's no back or forward buttons on it, unfortunately. So you've just got left, right, middle click, scroll wheel, and DPI. DPI is not too bad. It's nothing great. Yeah, for the price, which was about $10, well, not too bad. It is rechargeable, micro USB at the front. I've had this for about 6 months now, and it still works pretty well. The middle click is getting a bit iffy. The switch is wearing out. So I'm going to have to replace that switch soon. It's just getting a bit, I guess, the contacts oxidized or a bit of dust in there. But it does take quite a few middle clicks for it to actually register. So I haven't taken this apart yet. We'll take it apart together and see what's inside. Looks like it's a single screw on the bottom. Cool. Take the screw out. And then it should just lift out usually. Yep. Don't think there's another screw in there. No. Okay. No, it was just little tucks under the front little clips. So pretty bare bones inside. Nothing too out of the ordinary. They are just little cheap tactile switches. Not nice micro switches, but for $10 Australian, you wouldn't expect too much. And it does have a rechargeable battery in there. It looks like a standard AA, so it might be NiCad. The listing did say it was lithium. So I'll just bring my multimeter, refocus on it, there we go, and we'll have a quick look. And it is 3.9 volts, that is lithium. If it was nickel metal hydride or NiCad, it would be about 1.2, maybe 1.3 fully charged. So happy with that. Battery, I only use it for about an hour, 3 times a week, hour a day, 3 times a week, so 3 hours a week. Yeah, battery lasts a good maybe 2-3 months using it like that. So not the best battery, but standby time and everything considered, it's pretty good. The big issue is the middle click takes a lot of force. I don't like that. But again, it is just cheap micro switches. Could probably replace that if we wanted to. But end of the day, it's a cheap mouse, very thin, disposable. It's not too uncomfortable in your hand, which is good. I do miss the back and forward buttons. So for me, that's a little bit of a deal breaker, but just for like portability, taking out and about, pretty handy. I think that'll do it today. Thanks for watching.